Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 20th. We do have the grains, corn and wheat actually working a little lower today, maybe finding a little bit of profit taking. Corn down about 3 1/4 right now. You got beans down about 4 1/2. So taking a break, but beans once again higher, making this impressive run that we've seen. Beans right now up about 12 3/4 cents. That May contract sits right at 14.44, so right up against the resistance at this 14.45, and then up above that you've got that 14.60 high that we've had. Export sales came out for corn. They were looking 400,000 to 700,000, came out at 745, so good sales there in corn. Beans, they were looking for a cancellation of about 100 to maybe seeing sales made of 300,000. Came out at 202, so within range. Thing there with old crop beans, though, that we've got to pay attention to a little bit is that from this point till the end of the marketing year, we need to be canceling about 4 million bushel a week for the rest of the marketing year in order to hit USDA's target. So that's what's got beans on fire here again today. The fact that we continue making sales and we're not seeing these cancellations. That's what we really need to kind of focus on here. We keep talking that we may end up seeing cancellations. We haven't seen any. We saw some light cancellations a few weeks ago, but nothing since. So watch for that. But from this moment forward, we need to be about 4 million bushel, canceling 4 million bushel a week in order to reach that USDA's the target from USDA. Now for corn. We could be making up to about 5 million bushel sales, or about 80,000 tons a week, in order to hit their target as well. So we did that, and we're probably going to continue to do that. So it seems like USDA's target for corn as well might be a little bit too low from this point, but we'll see. So still quite a bit of marketing year left. So it's going to be very interesting, very choppy for these for corn and beans now that we're pretty close to USDA's target. So when are they going to adjust that number, or if they are, we'll have to see. Watch this 8 o'clock time frame here today. Find out if we will see any cancellations or not. But trade's still expecting to see them. We just haven't seen them yet. Some of the other news that's out there: cattle right now up about 5 cents, relatively quiet. Looks like we could see cash right now coming in a little steady. We haven't seen any trade yet, but maybe steady this week for cash cattle. We do have a cattle on feed report coming out tomorrow. We'll have those figures for you tomorrow. And then boxed beef down 71 cents for choice overnight, down 92 for select. A little bit of a setback, but nothing like the impressive run that we've seen for boxed beef over the last few weeks. As far as hogs, you got April still up $1 right now, with June down about 50 cents. So that June, after being stretched pretty far, starting to give back some of those gains the last couple days. But overall, we still have some issues out there. We're probably going to see that continue to go higher at some point. Cutout values up again overnight, up 27 cents, putting that at 130.63. So very impressive move in the hogs. Probably not done yet, but a lot of spreads in that market pushing it around. We did have jobless claims come out today, up about 5,000, putting that to 320,000. Kind of in line with the estimates. The estimates were 322,000 for jobless claim numbers, so not a big change. You got the stock market down 40 points right now after taking quite a pullback there yesterday. But gold and silver, metal markets, gold down 16 right now, silver down 53. That's a $53 drop in gold this week alone. Silver down 114, so $1.14 at this point. So we've seen a pretty sharp decline for those metals. The dollar, kind of the reverse. A very strong day yesterday in the dollar, up again another 26 today. Looking to be more of a turnaround there with the Fed's decision to cut another $10 billion off of that QE3 number. So not a surprise. That should have been in line with what they were thinking. But the idea of maybe increasing interest rates sooner than expected, kind of given that more negative tone to more of the financial markets. Give us a call if you guys have any questions over here. You can reach us at 800-262-7538, or you can check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. Talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.